Getting the best out of email marketing. With the popularity of the internet, it is no wonder why email marketing has become one of the most popular ways for a company to market their product. Perhaps you have heard of this technique, but you do not know to use it. That's okay, you are in luck. The following video will tell you what you need to know about email marketing. To get people to opt in and give permission for you to send email marketing messages to them, offer an incentive. Offer a discount or a coupon on one of your products or services. Include a white paper or newsletter about your niche or market. Give your prospects something in return for access to their inbox. The easier it is to subscribe to your email newsletter, the more subscribers you will have. If you have a physical store, ask your customers for their email address when they make a purchase. If you sell on a website, ask them for their address when they are ready to check out. You should ask your customers to opt in and then confirm they wish to receive your newsletter. It may seem unnecessary, but it ensures that each subscriber truly wants to receive your messages, which reduces the likelihood that you or the provider of your email services will be accused of spamming or sending unsolicited messages. Why you want to use your email marketing to improve your sales. The only way to get potential customers to read your emails is to convince them that they have value. To do this, your email should always contain concrete, useful information and relevant links, and not just generic sales fluff. In conclusion, email marketing has become a favorable way to market a product, mainly due to the internet's popularity. Now you know the most important aspects of email marketing. By using these tips properly, you will not only become successful at email marketing, but you will find an increase in business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.